Welcome to Python Master Classes, powered by the Holistic Group. Why should you choose Python as your programming language? Python is one of the most popular programming language used worldwide. Python programming language is used in artificial intelligence, robotics, web scraping, web development, blockchain, ethical hacking, automation and testing, quantum computing, and every other field which involves computations. If we talk about features of Python, Python programming language is easy to use, as with few lines of codes you can accomplish tasks. Enables fast development. Supports extensive libraries, from computer vision to natural language processing to scientific computing. Python has it all. Object-oriented, cross-platform, free and open source. Built-in data structures enabling you to focus on just implementing algorithms rather than managing data structures. Course curriculum. Introduction to Python programming language. Python environment setup. Python fundamentals like variables, data types, operators. Decision making in Python, like if-else. Iterations in Python. The for loop and the while loop. Functions in Python. Object-oriented concepts in Python. Exception handling in Python. Modules in Python. Processing strings in Python. Processing list, tuple, dictionary, set and frozen set in Python. File handling in Python. Multi-threading in Python. Database handling with Python. Graphical user interface in Python. Turtle for animations in Python. Network programming in Python. Some advanced concepts in Python like regular expressions, iterators. As you can see, we have got the holistic curriculum covering all the important aspects of the Python programming language which will enable you to excel in your career. Some salient features of the course. The course will be of 3 months. That is 12 weeks. There will be a 2-hour live class on every alternate day. You can learn and earn. Earning can be done with student referral programs, contributing in project work, performing good. With this course, you can crack interviews for internships, startups, multinational companies, remote jobs. You will get 100% job assistance. Our team will match you with some of the best job opportunities in the market. You will get a chance to work on live projects managed under the Holistic Group. You can also play a role in solving real-world problems and contributing in research work with coding. The mentor for your course will be Mr. Nukul Gupta, founder and CEO of the Holistic Group. Nukul has 7+ years of experience in information technology field. Nukul has delivered 100+ projects in latest technologies like artificial intelligence, machine learning, deep learning, computer vision, big data, blockchain, cloud computing, web development, mobile app development. Nukul served clients across the globe like USA, UK, Australia, Indonesia and many more. Nukul has also worked in some of the premier institutes in the country like IIT Kanpur and contributed in research work. Mentor plays a vital role in the holistic development of an individual. Nukul will not just be an educator but a mentor to ensure holistic development of students. Can you believe, the fee for this course is just Indian rupees 699. So what are you waiting for? Become a part of Enroll Talent Cloud, powered by the Holistic Group, and give wings to your career. You can WhatsApp us at +91 8318231646.